If you are looking for a captivating mix of romance, festive vibes, and a story of love rediscovered, Back to December is the movie for you. Streaming on Uchi Montana TV on YouTube, this romantic drama directed by Ben Casey offers a heartwarming take on relationships, second chances, and the magic of December festivities. The story follows a young lady played by Uchi Montana who travels to another state to surprise her boyfriend played by Anthony Woods. However, she is left disappointed when she learns that her boyfriend has traveled to her state to surprise her instead. Stranded and heartbroken, she stays with a friend and crosses paths with a charming musician played by Wayne Olugu who has returned to Nigeria from the US to pursue his musical career. Sparks fly, and what starts as an unexpected encounter blossoms into a sweet love story. The movie highlights themes of heartbreak, healing, and the beauty of finding love when you least expect it, all set against the backdrop of the vibrant, dirty December celebrations. What worked well? 1. Outstanding performances. Uchi Montana brings a natural charm to her role, perfectly capturing the emotions of heartbreak and newfound love. Her portrayal brought her character to life, making it highly believable. Wayne Olugu shines as the sweet and sincere musician. His chemistry with Uchi Montana is undeniable, making their love story believable and heartwarming. Anthony Woods delivers an authentic performance as the busy and temperamental boyfriend, adding layers to his character. 2. Chemistry and connection. The connection between Montana and Olugu's characters is magical. From their first meeting at the club to the emotional confrontations, their interactions keep you rooting for their romance. 3. Cinematography and aesthetics. The visuals are stunning, with beautiful Christmas lighting, decorations, and vibrant nighttime scenes. The club and party settings add an energetic and festive vibe that immerses you in the spirit of the season. 4. Directing and atmosphere. Ben Casey's direction brings out the festive cheer and emotional depth of the story. The night scenes and Christmas aesthetics create a perfect backdrop for the unfolding drama. One standout moment is when Wayne's character boldly goes to Anthony Wood's character's house to get Montana's character back after their breakup. The sincerity and vulnerability in the scene are palpable, making it a highlight of the film. What could have been better? 1. Pacing. Some parts of the movie felt dragged, especially the club scenes. The pacing could have been tighter to maintain engagement throughout. 2. Emotional disconnect in backstory. The relationship between Montana's and Wood's characters felt off due to a lack of backstory. There was no emotional connection established between them, making it harder to invest in their conflict. 3. Unclear emotional shift. The scene where Montana's character confronts her boyfriend about needing a break in their relationship felt abrupt. The sudden hurt she expressed over his past infidelity seemed out of place. Was it influenced by the new guy she met, or was it unresolved pain? This needed more context. My final verdict. Back to December successfully combines the magic of the festive season with a touching love story. While it has its flaws in pacing and character backstory, the captivating performances, stunning visuals, and feel-good moments make it an enjoyable watch. I will rate this a 7 over 10. If you've seen Back to December, share your thoughts in the comments below. What did you love most about the film? And if you haven't watched it yet, head to Uchi Montana's TV on YouTube and check it out. Thank you.